What's up, guys? Welcome back. I know it has been weeks. It's actually been a couple months and I'm super upset. I'm super ashamed that it's been so long. If you guys watched the last video, we pretty much left off with trying to fix the clutch and the trans on the SR, and it was coming up right before Winter Jam, and basically I just got super overwhelmed trying to fix the car, trying to get ready to get the car caged, trying to get the car pretty much just like refreshed for Winter Jam, and it was just super stressful, and I pretty much just kind of filmed a bunch of stuff but then didn't get a chance to put it all together. Kind of the biggest hurdle over the last couple months, the reason I haven't really uploaded is because we were moving. You may not be able to tell from this room just because I didn't film a whole lot inside my old house, but I moved. I'm gonna do another video of like a tour of the property because it's super awesome, and it's like the last couple months have been really stressful trying to get ready for the move, doing the move, getting out of the old house, getting settled into the new house. It was really expensive, I'm sure you guys know. So anyway, that's why I was slacking. I'm sorry, but I'm back. For today's video, I'm gonna get you guys caught up with Kyle and I fixing the trans. From there, we pretty much went to JJ to get the car caged. And JJ just did an incredible job. Huge shout out to Dead Fab for that. That was really awesome. But I need to paint the cage still. It looks killer, but I need to hurry up and get it looking nice with some paint. And then after the cage, we pretty much went straight to Winter Jam. It was a really cool weekend. My car had a lot of trouble. I'll show you guys some footage of just drifting at Winter Jam. That's pretty much most of the content that I have is just driving. That will pretty much get us caught up to now. And what I've got going on next is, you guys know my friend Jason. His birthday's coming up in a couple weeks, and we rented out the skid pad over at Thunderhill Raceway. We threw together like a big birthday bash, and there's like 40 people, just all friends, all driving. It's gonna be a super fun time, and I will definitely take a bunch of footage, bunch of video, drifting, vlogging, I promise. So anyway, let's get to today's stuff. Let's get you guys caught up with fixing the trans, getting the cage prepped and done, and then driving at Winter Jam. Let's do it. There's the front bell housing, and there's pretty much Boys, let's try this 6-puck deal again. I'm very nervous. Say a prayer. Fuck, of course I stepped in oil too. Go. Let's see if she's got any juice. Wait a minute. Oh, the battery's disconnected. All right. All right, guys, of course I didn't film it and it fired up, so... But whatever. Alright, we're looking good so far. Alright, boys. We're heading to JJ's shop. This thing's getting a cage this weekend. We'll talk when we get to JJ's shop. Alright. Boys, we're here. Old girl did good, except I forgot to turn my fans on. Did not know they were about to start doing that. All right, guys. Oh, I didn't even show you guys the new Johns. Brady, what do you think?
Looks hella good, honestly.
It just really needs, they need to be cleaned up and need to have a kit and everything. But anyway, we'll talk about the Johns later. So, we're at JJ's shop, Dead Fab. He's done some other stuff on the car, you guys know him. But anyway, we're finally doing the cage on this thing. And I hadn't really, like, it all happened super quick. I just, like, one day was talking to Derek and Van and Spencer and stuff about Winter Jam coming up, and you need a cage for Winter Jam to tandem. And I've driven it 1 year without a cage, and it's cool, but you just do solo runs, you know? And I was like, well, we got team cars, we got a team. I can't be the only one that, you know, doesn't cage the car. So JJ gave me a freaking super good deal to get this thing all caged, and that's super awesome. I appreciate it. And we're just doing a half cage, so it's going to be similar to what you guys saw for Derek's car, but basically, huh?
Sonoma spec.
Yeah, Sonoma spec. So it's basically half cage with door bars. That's what their requirement is for tandems. So I'm dropping the car off tonight, but we are doing some work on it before I leave. I got to strip the car out, so we're going to pull both the seats out. We're going to pull the carpet out. Dude, JJ's got the setup over here, man. He has all the tools, all the plates, everything's set out, ready to go for this cage. He said these are the door bars right here. There's the main hoop right there. So this thing is going to get knocked out pretty quick, man. This is the way to do it. All right, let's get to it. All right, guys, both seats are out. Just gonna start pulling the carpet, which should be pretty easy. The carpet's already split up there, so I'm literally just gonna split it right here because I'm not gonna reuse this carpet. Oh, geez, look at how easily this tears. right, guys, well, it has been one day since what you guys just saw, and this freaking guy already finished the entire cage. Look at this. Door bars look freaking awesome. I already put the seat in, but look at this fitment, man. Thank you. Give me a hug, man. I appreciate it. Ugh. I'm stoked.
Step in this bitch like what did I miss? Ain't shit changed, still running my lips. Never been shit, so what if I risk everything in my bag just to get a few chips? I was down bad, no keys to a whip. Couldn't even nine out a crease in the fit. Now I got a fleece with a zip. A pretty little piece, don't speak on shit. She be pleading the fit like put them on hush mode. Been a long time coming, no rest though. I own one life in the front door. I was on front toe, sitting in the squad up in punch bowl. So fuck me a cordial if all that it gives me. It's fake love and replacement for envy. Hoping and praying nobody gets me, cause I get to talking and that's when it hits me. Maybe I talk my shit too much. Maybe I put my lips too much. Maybe I put my lips too much. Now maybe I put my shit too much. Maybe I put my lips too much. Talking my shit like this too much. Look at what this shit ridiculous. Look at this shit ridiculous. Maybe I talk my shit too much. Maybe I rub my lips too much. Maybe I put my lips too much. Now maybe I cut my shit too much. Maybe I already did too much. Talking my shit like this too much. Look at what this shit ridiculous. Look at this shit ridiculous. Hey, I weigh 150, but I think I'm 100. The pride of the sun, I gotta go down, it's double or nothing. I got a new chick and she love it, she think it's the fog in London. And all this money keep coming and I don't get time for discussion. Know how they want it, know how they need it. I'm at they net like a rosary beaters. Don't gotta tell me, I know I'm a genius. Ain't shit sweet, know diabetes. Say you a beast, you better beat it or leave it to Beavis so he can delete it. You peek at my screen, I can see that you cheating. Whoa, ain't it poetic? HTML, how to hustle and bet it. They told me I should go and break a leg. I might as well go and get a prosthetic. I don't do this for aesthetic. I think that shit is pathetic. Get him a medic. I know I love me, so if you don't love me, your hate only matters for me if I let it. I was still packing them grocery bags full of chicken when Austin was swimming in Civic. My pH is high, my shit is acidic. I'm pushing my limits. Be young in this bitch, a wheel of lit. No pun intended. I'm talking my shit, but they just don't listen. You know if you get it. Maybe I talk my shit too much. Maybe I run my lip too much. Maybe I flip my lid too much. Nah, maybe I count my chips too much. Maybe I already did too much. Talking my shit like this too much. Look at what this shit did to us. Look at this shit ridiculous. Maybe I talk my shit too much. Maybe I run my lip too much. Maybe I flip my lid too much. Nah, maybe I count my chips too much. Maybe I already did too much. Talking my shit like this too much. Look at what this shit did to us. Look at this shit ridiculous. Tell me I'm in my way, but what am I supposed to say? Tell me I'm in the way, but what am I supposed to say? Maybe I just can't change, maybe I'm born this way. Shit too much weight, but still I'm just out of my brain. Ayy, give me a second to process how I'm working the process. Give a fuck what a op says, they just access. I'll be peeping the nonsense, and I'm reaping the benefits of it. No guarantee, but I bet I'ma run it. Stretching my bands, I'm bending the budget. I rinse and repeat till I get what I wanted. Yeah, hey, till I get what I wanted. Spending the budget, reaping the benefits of it. Yeah.